Making tax digital for income tax. What's really changing from April 2026 and what UK self-employed people and landlords need to know. This only applies to sole traders and landlords. It does not apply to limited companies. Making tax digital for income tax means HMRC wants people to keep their business records digitally and send updates quarterly instead of once a year. You'll use accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero or similar, rather than paper records or manual tax returns. Making tax digital for income tax is not switching on for everyone at once. The government is rolling it out in stages based on how much income you earn. From April 2026, Making Tax Digital applies to the first group of people. This group is made up of self-employed people and landlords whose total income is over £50,000. That means income before expenses, not profit. If that combined total income from self-employment and property goes over £50,000, then you're in the April 2026 group. So if you earn £35,000 from self-employment and £18,000 from rental income, that's £53,000 in total, and you'd be in the April 2026 group. The next group comes in from April 2027. That's for people whose self-employed and property income is over £30,000 but below £50,000. Then, from April 2028, the threshold drops again. Anyone with combined self-employed and property income of over £20,000 will be brought into Making Tax Digital. HMRC will look at your 2024 to 2025 tax return to decide whether you need to start Making Tax Digital in April 2026. This doesn't mean you suddenly pay more tax or pay tax more often. It's about how you report. Tax payments are still due on 31st January each year, with a second payments on account instalment on 31st July if required. Now let's talk about quarterly deadlines. Every quarterly update must be sent by the 7th of the month after the quarter ends. The first quarter runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of July. Once that quarter ends on the 5th of July, you have until the 7th of August to submit your update. The second quarter runs from the 6th of July to the 5th of October. That update must be submitted by the 7th of November. The third quarter runs from the 6th of October to the 5th of January. You submit that update by the 7th of February. The final quarter runs from the 6th of January to the 5th of April, and that update must be submitted by the 7th of May. HMRC is using a points-based penalty system. Miss deadlines repeatedly and penalties apply. What should people do now? The first thing is to check whether this will apply to you. Look at your last tax return and check your total income from self-employment and property. The second thing is to decide what software you're going to use. And finally, talk to your accountant or bookkeeper sooner rather than later.